Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to solve Imat 2017 past paper physics and mathematics portion. A car starts at point X. It travels 3 km to east and then 4 km due to south, 4 km south, and then 6 km due to west, 6 km to west, and then 8 km to north. So up to if I join this line to this line, then this 6 is divided into this 3 and this 3. Similarly, this 8 is divided into this 4 and this 4. So we have to find the displacement from point X to final point, and this is equal to this displacement plus this displacement. And here the value from X to this point is also 3, and from this point to this point is 4. So by using Pythagoras theorem, the total distance t is equal to 3 का square plus 4 का square. If you solve this, then this is equal to under root 25 and this is equal to 5. So our right option is 5 kilometer. A resistor has a resistance of 5 ohm. There is direct current of 10 ampere in the resistance. So what is the power dissipated by the resistor? As we know, the formula of power is equal to P is equal to I square multiplied by R. So I is equal to 10 square multiplied by R, which is value is 5 ohm. So 100 multiplied by 5 and power it is equal to 500. As we know, the power SI unit of power is watt, so 500 watt. So the right option is D option. Now let's move to 5 is which of the following is an expression for the mean of the values x by 3, x and x plus 6. To find the mean value, we add all the values and divide it by the total number of the values. As here we have there are 3 values, x by 3 plus x by plus 6, and we could divide this whole by 3. So x and x by 3, this x and this x become 2x and plus 6, and when I converted this divide sign into multiplication, the 3 move into the denominator. So by taking LCM, this is equal to 3 and here came x, here came 3 multiplied by 2, 6x plus 6 multiplied by 3, 18 with and 1 by 3. If we further go on solving it, then we get 7x plus 18 over 3 is 9. So our right option is D. 7x plus 18 is equal to 3. So let's move to the next MCQ, which is what is the gradient of the straight line passing through the points with coordinates 2, -3, -1 and 6. 2, minus 3, 1, minus 1 and 6, as gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So here x1, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. So on solving it, we got y2 value is 6 and minus 3, and x2 is minus 1 minus y value x1 value is 2. So on solving it, 6 plus 3 and the load is minus 3, and 6 plus 3 9 over minus 3, and the answer is minus 3, as 3 3s are 9 and minus n sustained here. So our right option is C option. Move to the next question, which is given that log 7 is equal to x, log 2 is equal to y and log 3 is equal to z. So we have to find the log bracket 14 and over 3 expressed in the terms of x, y and z. So log 14 over 3 is equal to log, as I could write 14 as 2 multiplied by 7 over 3, and according to the laws of logarithm, log 2 when two values are multiplied and by applying log, these are added, and the value which is divided should be subtracted, yani minus log 3. So on putting the value log 2, as log 2 is equal to 2, so instead of writing of log 2, we write y, and instead of writing x, we would write 7. X. Instead of writing log 7, we write x, and instead of writing log 10 and log 3, we write minus z. Yeah, x plus y minus z. So our right option is Charlie. So let's move to the next MCQs, which is a solid wooden cube has a side of length A. The density of the wood is rho. We have given one cube which has length A and its density is rho. It is immersed into the cube is completely immersed in a beaker of oil. Here we have a beaker of oil which is filled with the oily fluidic material. So this big oil has density this sigma. The top surface of the cube is horizontal and the gravity here is G. The gravitational field strength is. So we have to find the upthrust force which is equal to, we know that the force is equal to mg. Here G is given, we have to find M. We know that density is equal to mass per unit volume. So density of oil, why? Because why we take the density of oil? Because the force is applied due to coil, we have to find the force due to oil. So mass is equal to density, which the density of oil is represented by sigma sign. So I write here sigma, and here the V is the volume, which is actually the volume of the cube, and it is equal to A multiplied by A and multiplied by A. So M value came, M is equal to A cube. So our right answer, so the force is equal to, upthrust force is equal to A cube G, and so our right answer is delta. A fixed amount mass of an ideal gas undergoes a change in which it is supplied with 350 joule of thermal energy at the same time. This gas does 350 joule of work on its surrounding. So what type of change does the gas undergo? So the total heat we supplied is 350 joule, and the total work done is also has the same value, 3500 joule. So it means during the change in internal energy is 0. So this is actually the situation of isothermal process, but here it is important to note that isogoric and isomeric are the similar quantities, and in isobaric process you kept the pressure constant, while in isomeric and isogoric you kept the volume constant, so no work is done, while in adiabatic process you kept the temperature at constant position. So now let's move to the last MCQs. How many ways are there to the order of the letter AABBC? For example, ACABB and AABBC. So we have to find the way in which this five letters could be drawn in different order. So in the given statement we have given 3 orders of C. So C could be written like A, C. Similarly, A, C, A, B, B. These are 2, and the third is, suppose we say it A, B, P, C. The fourth possible order is A, P, C, B. The fifth possible order for C, A, P, B, and the seventh is fifth, and now we move to the sixth order is for C is A, C, B, C. We just here write the order of just only for C, which is only one letter. If as for one letter alphabet, for one alphabet there is 6 order. So for five alphabets, and these are 1 these are 1 2 3 4 5. So for 5 alphabets, it is equal to 5 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 30 order. So the our right option is E.